Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to see screen time report in iPhone. So let's start the video. If you want to see the app that you're using all the day and you want to see the time screen, how much time you want you spend on watching the mobile phone, so this video is for you. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to the setting and don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and also like the video. Now you have to go to setting. After going to setting, here you see on a search bar you have to enter, in the search bar you have to enter screen time. After entering screen time, this icon appear, you have to touch on this icon. So this is the screen time, like this is the icon by which you can see your screen time, like which app you use today and how much time you spend on that app, anything about like how what you use in the mobile phone and when you use all the time, and all the notification will appear on a screen. So here I'm going to search screen recording, like screen time. You can see on the third row there is screen time. So here is the screen time of my mobile currently, like average time. This is weekly. If you want to see hourly or if you want to see daily screen time, you can also see all the setting is here. So you have to see if you want to see weekly or daily. Here's daily average my time that I use today, what apps I use today, how much time I spend on each app, how much time like I spend weekly average, and all that information you can get from here. So this is the best method how you can check screen time. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the more updates. If you like this video, comment below and also share the video. So this is the very easy and simple way how you can check your screen time. Just you have to go to your setting, and on the setting you have to search for screen time. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.